రక్షణ రంగంలో టెక్నాలజీ పెను మార్పులు తెస్తోందన్నారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి రాజ్నాథ్ సింగ్. సైన్స్, ఇన్నోవేషన్ పై విద్యార్థులు ఫోకస్ పెట్టాలని సూచించారు. సైన్స్ తోనే దేశం అభివృద్ధి చెందుతుందని చెప్పారు. మానవ జీవితంలో సైన్స్ కీలక పాత్ర పోషిస్తుందని అన్నారు. సైబర్ స్పేస్, ఏఐ అభివృద్ధిపై భారత్ ఫోకస్ పెట్టినట్లు చెప్పారు రాజ్నాథ్. హైదరాబాద్ గచ్చిబౌలి స్టేడియంలో జాతీయ సైన్స్ దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కు హాజరయ్యారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి.
Friends, the National Science Day is one such occasion which not only commemorates the achievements of our scientists, but also encourages the younger generations to take up science and innovation for national development. As you may be aware that this year's theme of the National Science Day is empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Viksit Bharat. This theme is truly reflective of new India's aspiration for progress through innovation and global scientific leadership. Friends, I would like to share with you a special affinity that I personally have with this subject. I have been a student of science in my academic years and was a lecturer in physics early on before entering public life. The day resonates with my own journey, reminding me of the power of curiosity, questioning and exploration, the very foundation of modern science. Here I would also like to highlight the approach of the new Education Policy 2020, which aims to transform science education in India by encouraging creativity, critical thinking and innovation. This year's theme of National Science Day reflects the same approach. When it focuses on empowering Indian youth for the global leadership through science and innovation, it is in line with the objective of the National Education Policy to encourage students to develop scientific temper and an attitude of research and innovation. He or she is ready to experiment and attempt. What is required to provide them with an atmosphere, a healthy ecosystem, so that the best in them comes out and they are ready to contribute meaningfully and in the nation's best interest.